Hello, in this video we are going to create a simple game using Scratch programming. This game will be basing on mathematics. The sprite will be asking the kid the product of the two numbers, then the kid will be entering the answer. If the answer is correct, the sprite will congratulate the kid. If the answer is not correct, in other terms it is incorrect, the sprite will be telling the kid that the answer is not correct and motivating the kid to continue trying. So this is the game we are going to create. To be able to create it, we will be connecting various blocks from various parets. As you can see, we have the motion parent, the looks parent, the sound parent, the events parent. So each parent has got various blocks. So we are going to play with connecting various parets. I mean various blocks from various parets. So let's get started. We go to events. When you clicked this green flag, we go to control, choose repeat until. Then we go to operators. We choose join apple banana, join apple banana, join apple banana 3 times. So we are going to take join apple banana. The second one, we put join over banana. So they will be the two connected blocks. Then again join, we drag it and drop it into banana like that. So we have one block. Then we go to variables. We choose set my variable to. Again, we choose set my variable to. Now, these variables we are setting, we have not yet created them. Let us create them first. So from variables palette, we click on create a variable. Let us call it score. Okay. As you can see, score variable is created. We create another variable, we call it x. We create another one, we call it y. So set my variable. We choose the variable name among the 3 created one. We choose X. We also choose Y for the second set. Within the palette, operators palette, we choose pick random 1 to 10. So this pick random 1 to 10, we put it within 0, like that. Then the values for x will be random from 1 up to 10. It can be 1, it can be 7, it can be 8, it can be whatever number between 1 and 10. Then we again pick random 1 to 10. For y, of course, we connect the both blocks to make it, or to make them a single block. From control, we are going to choose if then else. If then else. So we put it within repeat until. If then else. So this set, we are going to put them above if then here. Now join apple, banana. So the first apple, we are going to replace it with variable x. We drop and we drag and drop x. Then the second apple, we replace it with times sign, which is x, of course. The third apple, we are going to replace it with y variable. Banana, we replace it with equal space question mark. So x times y is equal to what? This message is going to be displayed in a block which starts with ask. This one under sensing parent, we choose ask. Like this. Ask what is your name. Of course, we are going to drag this entire block. We put it within what's your name. Like this. So ask join x, join times join y equal to what? So x will be represented by one value which will be picked randomly between 1 and 10. Y will also be one value which will be picked randomly from 1 up to 10. Then if we go back to control, operators, we choose this symbol of equality. If let us look for answer. Answer is got from sensing palette. We drag here answer. If answer is equal to, we go back to operators. We choose this one, this symbol. It should be, we go back to variables, it should be x times y. So we drag this entire block, this one, into 50 box. So if the answer provided is equal to the real product of x and y, so we drag this, this palette, these connected blocks into if then in that box in between. If the answer is equal to then means what is to be done. So what is to be done if the answer is correct, or else if the answer is not correct. We go back to our palettes. Then we choose this one. Under looks palette, we choose say hello for 2 seconds. This one, we also choose say hello for else. So we are going to change this message hello. Maybe we can say congratulations. It is correct. Or we start with it is correct, then congratulations. It is correct, congratulations, like this. When the answer is not correct, this is else. incorrect, like this. Try again. Or keep trying. Now, if the answer which is provided by the kid is correct, the kid will be congratulated. If no, the kid will be given this message, incorrect, keep trying. So what if the score is to increase? Huh? Once the kid provides the correct answer, the score here should be increased. So to increase the score, we go back to variables palette. We choose change my variable. Then the variable here is going to be score, then by. We are going to increment it by 2. So each time the kid provides the correct answer, the score here should be increased by 2. This is what we mean by change score variable by 2. Now, when you clicked, let us add some few codes here. We look for a block which should fit there. Yeah, this one timer. And reset the timer. So we start with reset the timer. We go back to variables, we choose set my variable. So by default, when the kid starts playing the game of multiplication, the variable score should be having the value 0. That's why we are using set score to 0. So we connect this repeat until with the set score like this. Now we are going to repeat until we use this block, so the timer will fit in the left box. The value here we can make it 60 seconds. So the game will be on for a specific for a specific period of time. Then we drag this connector within this box for repeat until. Then repeat until should have a block that will stop it at the end. So we get it from control. It is called the stop all. So let us try it and check if it is working. So when you clicked this green flag, the x value is 6, the y value is 10. So this is equal to what? The product. So we enter 60, we press enter. The message from the sprite was correct, and as you can see, the score is 2. So let me maximize the screen to see how it works. The second set of numbers is 7 times 10. This is equal to 70. It is correct, congratulations. The next is 3 times 4. It is 12, of course. Let us provide a wrong answer to check what the sprite tells us. So I write 34. I press enter. As you see, the message is incorrect. As you might have seen or observed, the score did not change because this time the answer was not correct. But when we provided 14 as the product of 2 and 7, we press enter, immediately the score should increase. So we minimize the screen, and when you start playing it again, the score should be set to 0 because we are starting the new game. So 8, press enter, correct, the score is now 2. 16, press enter, it is correct, the score is 4. 7 times 1, it is 7. Let us enter 8. We press enter, it is incorrect. So score did not increase. So this is how we create this multiplication game using Scratch programming. Thank you for watching and for trying it out. Bye.